Hi guys! Thank God it's a Friday! I'm excited because Sunday pupunta kami, like Friday pa lang pero excited na sa Sunday. Sa Sunday pupunta kami sa SMC side, yung pinakabagong SM dito sa Cebu. And yes, I'm just so excited kasi maraming nag-message sa akin na marami daw makeup brands na available doon na hindi available sa ibang malls, like yung sa old SM na lagi kong pinupuntahan. And it's very convenient for us kasi nandun siya sa SRP, yung South Road Properties. Doon kasi kami dumadaan lagi. And the fact na nandun lang siya, I was like very, very convenient kasi we don't have to go to the city talaga para pumunta lang ng SM. So that's perfect! Ano pa ka? Oh, I just want to say happy birthday to Nicole Ann Paragas. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! I am currently uploading a video right now. Ito yung 50 random facts about me tag. It should be up before this vlog. So I will leave the link below, guys, if you're interested to watch that. Actually, some of you have been requesting me to do that video. I filmed that a long time ago and edit ko na siya long time ago actually. Ngayon ko lang siya ina-upload kasi maraming videos na naka-line up. Maraming videos na naka-line up. I'm not gonna film anything today kasi si Mr. Lappy, as in wala na talaga. Ayaw na niyang tumanggap ng ibang files because sobrang full na siya. I actually ordered external hard drive. Nakita ko hinol ni Carla na nag-order siya ng external hard drive sa Lazada. So I checked it out and perfect. Ayoko sana talagang bumili kasi alam niyo naman ako, guys, sobrang kuripot ko and feeling ko talaga 2,000 plus is too much. But I'm thinking I need it. Like, kung hindi ako bibili nun, I will keep deleting videos and baka pagsisihan ko siya sa huli. And you know, why not get it now? Yung okay naman yung mga reviews niya. I got it for 2,500. The original price was 2,700 tapos may 200 off ako. Bonggang ganon. It should be here tomorrow. Sana? Free? Receive siya ng freebie. Kel! Bumili ka ng acetone, Kel! Diyan lang naman sa gilid, malapit lang. Acetone. Sige na! I will remove my nail polish. Hoy! Di ka, Kel? Uy! Wala, katapon. Hi guys! Matagal-tagal na rin ako hindi nakaupo dito, bongga. I mean, you know, while nagva-vlog. I am just going to apply my 2-minute whitening miracle because it's Friday and as you guys know, I do it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, MWF yung ganap ko sa aking mask. Sobrang nagugustuhan ko pa rin siya, guys. Wala akong nakikitang breakouts at all. Ala, nahulog. Oh, nasa ilong ko pala. Ano ba yan? Kakatapos lang ng pangako sa'yo. Ang ganda na ng pangako sa'yo, grabe. Sino nanonood ng pangako sa'yo sa inyo? Alam ko maraming nanonood ng Outwall sa inyo eh. Pero pangako sa'yo, may nanonood ba? I actually stopped watching it nung hindi na siya ganun ka ganda. Yung biglang, basta naging hindi interesting yung story. Tapos, biglang nagbago. Parang chapter 2 na kumbaga. I'm just gonna let the mask stay until mag-liquefy siya. And then, I'm going to massage it later on. Good morning, guys! It is Saturday, and before I forget, I want to say happy birthday to Lindsay, daughter of Eileen Tahada. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Bonggang mag-birthday party ka, girl. Hi, guys! Katapos ko maligo, kasi naglinis ako kanina ng over, and look at my hand. Look at that. Dahil yun sa walis. Anyway, magluluto ako ng spaghetti because ang tagal na nung spaghetti ko dun tapos hindi ko pa siya naluto kasi walang bibili ng ground pork. But I'm not gonna use ground pork today. I'm gonna use bacon. So, ikakat ko yung bacon into maliliit na pieces. Tapos, hotdog. Everybody wants to steal my girl. Everybody wants to take her heart away. Couple billion in the whole wide world. bacon na slice ko na rin. So, nandito yung aking pasta, spaghetti sauce, and tomato sauce. Actually, maaga pa 5:30 pa. Pero gutom na ako. So, I will go ahead and start cooking na. Tapos na ang aking spaghetti. So, it has bacon, hotdog, at saka mushroom. And yes, I love cheese. Kain tayo! Hi guys! It's Monday and I am going to pick a winner for my giveaway. I am on random comment picker right now. So, I'm just gonna go to that giveaway video, which is, where is that? Right here. So, ikakopy ko lang yung link nito and then paste it on here and then load comments. Okay, so randomly pick a winner. Andrea Mempin, 868th liker on Facebook. Love you and your videos. So, Andrea Mempin, you won my giveaway. I'm just gonna screenshot this. One sec. Tinawag ako ni Mama kasi may nagbebenta daw ng DVD, yung A Second Chance. Sabi ko, huwag mong bilhin kasi wala naman tayong DVD player. Nakakaloka to si Mama. Nakakaloka. Sabi niya, bakit daw nanonood kayo ng DVD? Hindi yung DVD na sa USB. Parang kinoconnect lang namin sa TV. Ganun. Sabi, natuwa lang ako. Wala siyang kaalam-alam sa aming appliances. Walang kaalam-alam sa appliances. Nakakaloka. Anyway, I'm editing my video right now. I'm editing this vlog right now. Parang ikakat ko siya. Yung vlog ko kahapon, yung sa SMC side, i-upload ko siya separately. So, that vlog will be uploaded tomorrow, guys. So, medyo putol tong vlog na to. But, hindi naman siya putol, pero may mga date na naman nakalagay. So, yes. Magmamarinate ako ng chicken. Lulutuin ko to mamaya. Lalagyan ko lang ng crispy fry. Tapos, ito na yung ko, bawang at saka sibuyas. Dinice ko siya na sobrang liliit para tumikit dito. And yeah, later lulutuin ko na siya. Ayan, nalagay ko na dito yung garlic at saka yung bawang. Ilalagay ko muna to sa fridge para mamarinate siya. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba itong ginagawa ko, guys. But I'm just experimenting. So, whatever. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge and then later on, I will cook it. Ano ba ito dito? Oh, ito pa yung pasta ko. Naubos na tong sauce na to eh. Ano pang gagawin ko dito sa pastang ito? Maaga pa naman eh, 5:30 pa. Nanonood nga pala ako na And I Love You So. And maganda siya, nagustuhan ko siya. I will be eating binignit. I'm not sure kung anong tawag dito sa Manila, but binignit yung tawag namin dito sa Cebu. Bigay ito ng friends ni Mama. So, yummers. Luto na ang ulam, Kil. Kumain ka na. Mamaya ka pa kakain. Bakit?
Kapoy. Naigon me.
Pagod ka? Nag-caroling ka? Ilan na pera mo?
500.
500 na? Oh. Ilang araw na kayong nagka-caroling?
But
Nagpunta kami kahapon sa SMC side. Hindi ka sumama. Bakit hindi sumama? Nag-vlog kami doon. Nandun si Marlon sa vlog ko, tsaka si Miss, tsaka si Mama. Hi to Krisha Marie! Nakita niya ako sa SM kahapon. Hindi siya nag-hi, nahiya daw siya. Sa Uniqlo, hi! Sana nag-hi ka, huwag kang mahiya sa akin. Wala akong hiya. Wala akong hiya.
ka dapat mahiya kasi sa bata siya.
Do not deny it. That's easy. So easy. Meron ba sa inyo naglalaro ng duet? Ano score
Just
nyo?
do it!
Ano score mo?
My idea of a perfect Christmas is to spend it with you in a party or dinner for two. Anywhere would do. Celebrating the Yuletide season always lights up our lives. Simple pleasures are made special too when they're shared with you.
Shoutout time! I will start with Larissa. Hi! Pauline TV5. She's a vlogger. I will leave her link below. Kimberly San Diego from Tondo, Manila. Hi! From Cutie Patuti. 6 years and 7 months anniversary nila ni Adrian sa December 2. Congratulations! Hi to Tricia Stone, Maki Prasmo, Jazz of 1523 on YouTube, Roxanne Sereno, and to her boyfriend Joren. Kakamansari lang nila. She's from Cebu. Hi! Hi to Shana Marie Espino, Angelica Tan, and to her baby Ayan Jerry Tan, Gina Francisco, and to her boyfriend MC Chester Kyle Jacob. First anniversary nila sa December 10. Congrats! Hi to Madge Badolo, Joliet Gamboa, Maylene Tan, Rhea Constantino, Mary Joy Granada, Gladys Mamangon, Charlene Garcia, and happy 16th birthday to Jazel Gorospe, Jazol. Happy 21st birthday kay Mark Anthony Cabrera. Hi to Yui_SNTS on Instagram. Hi. And hi to Precious Azur Ali. And then, I'm gonna check my Facebook post kasi nag-post ako sa Facebook for the shoutouts. Okay, after 48 years, na-open na din yung Facebook ko. Hi to Angelica Pe and to her shop, Fashionista shop at iba pa. I will leave the link below. Hi to Amihar Rahima, Catherine Ann Sinicero, Axel Shell, Trish Fajardo Bacayo, and to her boyfriend na si Carl Pasilian. Hi! Geraldine Butte Sanchez, and to her husband na nasa Dubai, and to her 2 kids. Hi sa inyo! Hi to Amber Bautista Mikimoto, Jessica Katubay, and to her sons Kurt Wilson and Mark Lester. Hi! Ang cute ng pangalan na Kurt. Hi to Jill Jelislyn Albenia Sese. Hi! Hi to George Monsaya. Meron siyang channel, Beauty X Chef. I will leave that below. Wait, ilista ko yan kasi baka makalimutan ko yung mga link. Hi to Aiko Beltran Literal. Meron siyang channel, literally Aiko. Hi to MJ Jordan, Shara May Strong Travero. Hi to Luisa Bencito, Rona Lial Sendayen. Birthday niya! I'm pretty sure belated na to. So, belated happy birthday. Hi to Evangelique Palamo of Valencia. Hi, girl. Hi to Christine Conanan and to her boyfriend na si Michael. 63rd, akala ko 63rd anniversary, nakakaloka. 63rd monthsary nila sa 10. Hi, congrats sa inyong dalawa. Hi to Leira, Zara Sade, and meron siyang channel, Fancy Zara. I will leave that below, guys. Hi to Lalaina Camara. Hi, girl. Hi to Lady Maria Kushap Lopez, Riza Jane Lopez. Hi to Lori Morante, Margolan Dayan, Melot Panancilio, and sa kapatid niya na si Mea Panancilio. Hi sa inyong dalawa. Hi to Pearly Rivera Ico, Nikki Rizan, TJ Alcantara, Hannah Esor, Tia Marie, Avery Ann DL, and to her channel, Avery Daily Vlogs. And, wow, dami mo channel, sis, ha? I will leave that below, guys. And shout out din sa pinsan ni Christine Conanan na si Samantha sa Avedra. She is just 7 and she likes watching my videos. Thank you so much. Chini Hoover Juane. Hi, ganda. Hi to Andrea Perez. And lastly, hi to Iname Agito and to her boyfriend na si Mark Angelo Dioyan Social. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you sa always sa pag-comment sa Facebook post, sa mga YouTube comments ko. Salamat at hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin kayo nagsasawa sa mukhang ito at saka sa boses ko. So thank you so much. I actually just finished filming a haul. Yeah, watch out for that haul. Yeah, that's basically it for this vlog. Thank you again so much for watching. Do not forget, be good. I will see you on my next one. Bye, guys!